Okay, I'm going to try to record a little video to help with collecting some lab data today. I am actually going to plug in a motion sensor into my USB port to my Passport, and I'm just going to launch Data Studio. And once Data Studio launches, I'm going to walk through kind of the things that we need to follow in order to collect the data. I do have the setup on the table in the front, and I'm going to leave that set up so you can kind of see what we're doing. All right, but you really need to follow along with here. Our motion sensor currently has it in position versus time, and what we want is we actually want to look at velocity. Okay, so I'm going to switch from the motion setup, so I'm going to go to setup, and from there I'm going to uncheck position and check velocity. And I'm going to increase my sample rate here a little bit. I want to go up to 25. And what that just means is that I'm going to collect 25 points of data per second. Okay, so that's my sampling rate. And then I'm going to close that window. And right now this graph still says position versus time, so I want to get rid of that graph. And that's fine to get rid of that. And then what I'm going to do here is I'm going to grab a graph and drag my graph up onto my velocity, and I'm just going to expand it a little bit. Okay, so now everything's all set up. The lab now is to actually take the cart with the hanging weight off of it. So this is a lot like problem number 1 on the problem set, where we have an object that's sitting on a flat surface, and then that flat surface is going to have, or that object's going to have a mass hanging on it. And so what I've got here is I've got a hanging mass and I've got a cart. And I need to know the mass of my cart, but I'm also going to find the mass of my cart with the two 20-gram masses with it. So again, take a trickle balance beam scale, find the mass of the cart with that, and find the mass of the hanger. So that's my masses of my two objects. Okay. When I'm ready to collect data, I'm just going to click Start, and you're going to see that I'm going to collect some of that motion data. I'm just moving around now to move my cart, and then let go of my cart. Stop my cart before it hits the end where the pulley is, and you see that I've collected some good data. So I'm going to stop that. Now I'm going to zoom in here, so I'm going to my little zoom button, and I really want to just look at this nice sloped line, because that's where my cart was actually free flowing and it was accelerating. So I'm going to take that data, and I'm just clicking and dragging a section to get it highlighted yellow. Okay, and then I'm going to go up here to do a fit, and I'm going to do a linear fit. And what this did is it does a quick little calculation of the line of best fit just for the points that I looked at. Now the thing that we're interested in is the slope, because the slope of that represents the acceleration that the cart and the hanging mass had. And that's what we're going to try to figure out to see how it compares to what we did calculation-wise. And so we're going to do 3 trials of this, collecting the slope for each of the trials. All right. So this is good for you to review after I let you go to collect data.